In a world of giants, one brand dares to compete in U.S. waters. MSC Seaside isn't just visiting, she's here to make waves. What kind of waves, you ask? Well, join my wife and I to see for yourself.
Cruising Seaside.
Cruising Seaside.
Cruising the seas, yeah, we just set sail.
I'm not sure y'all ready.
Cruising the seas, I hope we see whales. Sorry, ma'am, heard about the food, so we gotta check the details. Rolling with my bestie, side by side. Is it worth it? I'm gonna let you decide. Check it. Cheap doesn't mean that it's second rate. Semi-luxury vibes, but at a budget rate.
You're not on the track today.
Oh, yes I am.
I dropped the bags and my wife off out front, then parked.
And that's the ship we're going on. It's our first time doing MSC. Hopefully it's not a mess. Hello.
The balcony room on MSC Seaside is pretty similar to what you'd find on Royal Caribbean or Carnival, about the same amount of desk space, drawers, and closet storage. However, the shower was significantly smaller than on the other brands we've cruised. Did you see it? They really thought this through. As you can see, the balcony looks like what you get on Royal and Carnival, in the same class. I'd say the food on Carnival and Royal is better overall, but on some days in the main dining room, you can find dishes that are pretty comparable. This dish did not disappoint, and yes, I had more than one main entree. Quick note, you have assigned seating for dinner time. This game was fun. Who wins?
You have to clap it. Okay, one more time.
Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray!
Yes, he's always hip hip. Okay, we will go.
We'll come back to this later.
I told you, I knew it. I knew it.
The karaoke was mostly filled with people who could actually sing, but even when they couldn't, it was still entertaining. The ship's decor feels a bit more refined compared to Carnival's Excel-class ships. Don't get me wrong, Carnival's vibrant colors can be fun, but seeing them every day can feel a little overwhelming. MSC Seaside, on the other hand, has a more elegant touch, thanks to its more subdued and sophisticated design. I'd say at least half, if not more, of the passengers on the ship were non-American. This is a judgment-free zone, so let us be our weird, goofy, unapologetic selves. Why did the elevator do so well at work? Because it knew how to take things to the next level. This is the buffet area. I think MSC could improve by adding more distinct zones for all-day casual dining options, and it looks like they're doing just that on the MSC World America.
Alrighty, I am looking for my wife. I forgot I can message her on the app.
Download the app before you board. The messaging feature is free. Back to the game.
Okay, so are you guys ready? Now this is a serious game for additional bonus points. Yes? Ready? Woo! Okay, let's start.
Hooray!
Oh, you forgot. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Okay, come closer, come closer. Very easy. Let's go.
Hooray! Hip hip, 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 hooray!
Wait a minute. What's going on here? Is she picking on me?
Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip.
Washing my apple. Ooh, that water's hot. Jeez.
That is an awesome view. Don't you agree? We are headed to the Robotron. However, it was a bit too breezy, so the ride was temporarily closed.
It's pretty windy out here. It's very windy.
But that didn't stop the kids from getting on the water slides.
Oh,
Cool. One more time. Down. Down. Forward. Forward, one more time.
Not too shabby if I do say so myself. Tonight is dress up fancy night. Alright, I know, it's corny, but come on, how could I not do it? The red dress, the song, it was right there. I had to.
Doors open. Doors closing.
What are you doing?
I thought I was filming a cinematic masterpiece. Kaido Sushi Bar. This venue offers an interactive dining experience where guests can select fresh sushi, sashimi, tempura, and other Japanese dishes directly from the conveyor belt. This is back in the main dining room. And this was one of the nights where the menu was on par with Carnival and Royal. This is Silent Party Night, a type of party where attendees listen to music through wireless headphones instead of through a loudspeaker system.
Now your team is very mad at you. You missed the bonus point. Let's go, one more time. Hooray!
Hooray.
Oh! Ciao, ciao, ciao. Last five, let's go.
Hooray.
Oh! Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Y'all could tell. Boy gained some weight already.
Who am I kidding? I gained these extra pounds from the last cruise. Let's go. Waking up on St. Pat's, feeling fresh and bright. Got my green on, wife by my side. Everything's alright, pancakes stacking high, syrup dripping gold. Irish coffee sip and go, we on a roll, just let it flow. This is Amber Cove.
Okay, you can move closer. Our last four, let's go.
Hooray. 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 Hooray.
Oh! Ciao, ciao, ciao. Thank you so much. Yes. Let our last week.
Hooray. 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 Hooray.
And you thought I was joking. I wasn't. She is out to get me.
Hooray. 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 Hooray.
Battery 100%.
In all seriousness, taking a cruise with MSC has been an enjoyable experience for us. If you're open-minded and generally enjoy being in a good mood, you'll likely have a great time. Some people seem to exist in a constant state of negativity, doing nothing to change it. It's like they've been that way for so long that feeling happy actually makes them uncomfortable. No matter how luxurious the experience, even on a Ritz-Carlton level cruise, they'd still find plenty to complain about. His PG comedy show was good. The end of day 3 of the cruise, and so far, no complaints, especially when you take everything into consideration. I'm just going to hang out here for the rest of the evening. The morning of day 4, and you already know where we are headed.
You were the comedian?
Yes.
How you doing, man? Good show, good show.
Thank
You got one today, right? At
11.
11.
No. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay. Okay, cool.
My wife and I usually prefer having breakfast in the main dining room, no matter the cruise line. It's almost always better than what you get at the buffet. There's no assigned seating, so keep that in mind. The earlier you go, the better. If you'd rather not sit with a group, you can request a table for 2, but every now and then, take a chance. Chat with someone new. You never know what you might learn. We usually book excursions at every port, but this time we just wanted to explore on foot, and Puerto Rico was the perfect place for it. The weather was perfect, and we ended up walking a lot more than expected.
That means that he defeated the Native American population here, and then he was given this like a price of war. But he never got to live in the house. The house was built after his passing. So it was his descendants that lived there for over 2 centuries. And nowadays this is a museum.
We are definitely getting our steps in today. Watch, I need to take into account steps that are going up a hill,
they count as 3. Don't fall. That fall would be nice.
No.
This is the entrance to the Museum of Art of Puerto Rico. We thought about going inside, but the crowds were a bit much, so we decided to skip it. I can't show it all, but we walked a lot, and I mean a lot on this day. Can you guess how much this home cost before I reveal the price?
How much do you think?
200.
Nope. Higher.
400.
Higher.
$1 million?
Higher.
Wow.
$1,699,000.
I wonder if it's for the whole building.
This is the Museum of Contemporary Art of Puerto Rico, but once again, there were too many people. Haitian compa, also spelled kumpa or kompas, is a popular genre of Haitian music that blends African rhythms with Western influences, particularly jazz and big band music. This gallery primarily features paintings, sculptures, and other forms of visual art created by Haitian artists. Beyond promoting art, the Haitian Art Gallery plays a role in fostering cultural exchange between Haiti and Puerto Rico. The last round.
Okay, so if I put the microphone 2 times to you, you have like... Yeah, so like that, okay? One more time, let's go.
Hooray! 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 Hooray!
So you will be having additional plus 3 points on your team. 3 points!
Look out for the next part of this vlog to see more from this trip. I will share how cool this was in the next video.